I interviewed my friend who is working in the hospital in Tongliao, China, and her name is Jaja. She studied nursing when she was in the university. So the first question is, what drew this individual to be interested in this area of work? Explain. Her answer is, as for me, I chose to study nursing because I like biology. It's easier for me than other subjects such as history and math. My parents are doctors. When I was young, I think they're great, so I choose this major and want to help others, just like my parents. The second question is, did the individual need much additional on-the-job training? Explain. And her answer is yes. This job needs many on-the-job trainings. The things learned in the university aren't enough for actual work. Many emergencies happen during the actual work, so we need on-the-job trainings to ensure we can handle them when we get to work. The third question is, what types of course or college experience were the most valuable to this individual current job? So in her opinion, she thinks the professional courses are important and valuable. For example, the emergency treatments and the use of medicine. The first question is, what advice would this individual give to college students who is about to graduate and enter the job market? Her answer is, the advice I would give the college student who want to be a nurse in the future is that you need to be friendly and patient. Also, you need to know how to communicate with different kinds of people. This will help you to be a nurse in the future. And the fifth question is that, what surprise has this individual encountered in connection with this particular job? Explains. Her answer is, I met many different kinds of people when I was working in the hospital as a nurse. I met many kind people and they're friendly to me, and I have many precious memories with some friendly patients. On the other hand, I also met some people who are terrible and vexatious. All in all, good people are more than bad people.